What's up, everybody? It's your man Josh. We're back. Another Local Outlaws video. We are starting a project that I've been wanting to start. How long have we been waiting for this, Ma? Assistant? 4 years?
At least. I don't know. Talk to Gary. You bought the motor from him. So
anyway,
when we went over to Hooligan's garage.
Yeah, we went to Hooligan. You know, my mom calls them hooligans, but whatever.
Well, they know who they are.
Anyway, so we swooped all the way down to Compton at the Hooligan spot, their last shop that they were at, and we picked up this motor right here from Mr. King Anytime himself, Mr. Gary King Jr. Came out of the green 34. Well, 4 years later, fast forward, we're actually finally about to get this motor built, and we're about to take it to my buddy Derek's shop, Cogswell's Customs. Shout out to my boy, and we're about to get this RB done up the same way his RB was done, and put it in this bad boy over here. So let's get this motor in the truck and get going.
Here's some rags and a paper towel.
Thanks, Gary. I really appreciate it. Making a mess in my garage.
You gonna slow it down to say that, or you gonna type it?
No, you go. I'm gonna leave that in. We're not editing that out.
He's going to come over here with some of his Buster Grind.
Yeah.
In my garage.
This video is brought to you by Buster Grind's Brake Cleaner, where it'll clean everything off your garage floor, including coolant left in Mr. King Anytime's motor that's now sitting in my garage. So thank you, Mr. Buster Grimes. All right, so we got the motor on, thanks to my wonderful assistant, my mom, and my camera woman. We have to take the tailgate off. Mom came up with a real good idea. Thank you, assistant, for that idea. Like, why don't you take the tailgate off? I said, you know what? That's a great idea. So we took the tailgate off, put the motor on the tire, random tire we got in the shop, and so now we got the motor situated. It's in there, and now I'm gonna ratchet strap it down, put the tailgate back on, and call it a day. We'll get it over to the shop tomorrow, and we can get started on this. So there's part of my rebuild kit there. Other part of it's in the
warehouse.
In the house, aka my living room, the warehouse. So yeah, we're gonna get this going. So stay tuned. I'm almost done, and then we'll get you guys up again over at Derek's house. I'll leave the tailgate unlocked because I'm gonna back up to the house. That way you ain't gotta worry about locking and unlocking it.
Oh, for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we locked and loaded. We got the motor onto the truck. Me and my moms, we did it.
Your assistant.
My assistant, thank you. I appreciate you. But I gotta go home to my woman. So we're gonna load up the wire harness that I got, spare parts, all this other stuff. Actually,
maybe you should take that some other time.
Yeah, let's just get the motor over, and then we'll take all the parts over. We'll take the wire harness over, because he still has to disassemble the motor, reseal it. So we got a new head gasket, head studs, because at some point we're gonna do more boost. Full reseal kit, so all the timing belt kit, tensioner, new water pump, all that stuff. So I think we're good. We're ready to go. So let's move the truck over, lock it all up. We'll do it again tomorrow.